So let me show you mini hijab and Sneako trying to understand what pedophilia is and what pedophilia is not.
Oh yeah.
I just reposted that on my video.
No, we don't think there's any problem with it at all. We think that it's just because we have a different idea of what it means to be a child, which can be tracked historically. But now, if the situation has changed, we say that the general principle in Islam is, you can do what you kind of want, so long as, I'm not going to say you can do what you want so long as you're harming. You can marry whomever you want to marry, so long as it doesn't
Yes, do marry and then have sex or do whatever as long as you do not.
you want to marry, so long as it doesn't cause them harm, physical and psychological. So, for example, if I marry a 100-year-old woman, or Sneako, if you marry with your tank top,
Why does it comes 100 years old woman? Why would I marry 100 years old woman? Why would 100 years old woman will marry a Sneako like this? And why would Sneako will marry 100 years old woman? A stupid example, but let's go to a baby.
right, I mean, she might have some kind of health problem. So we would say that, well, if you were to be intimate with a 14 and huge breast, if you were to be intimate with a 14-year-old,
Why 14? Why not 9? Muhammad married a 9 years old. Come on. Why 14? Why not 9? Pedophile. You follower of a pedophile prophet. You pedophile.
or 13-year-old who's got huge hips and huge
13 years old who got a huge hips. Imagine how he's describing a 13 years old. A 13 years old. Check this out. This follower of pedophile prophet. Check how he describes a woman.
13-year-old who's got huge hips and huge breasts and huge body. I mean, quite
This is how you describe a child?
Yeah.
Why is this guy not in jail in UK? What happened to the people of UK? What happened to the police of UK? What happened to the government of UK? What happened to the laws in UK? How can this guy say these things and he is not in jail?
So there was a petition made, basically, even at Speaker's Corner, even at many different places around UK, that where people were calling out that this is a pedophilic language. The video evidence is there. What are we waiting for? You know what was the stance of everyone who was told all of these things when people spoke to their MPs, people spoke to police and lawyers. It's freedom of expression. That's
Expression about a girl, a baby girl?
Yes, it's an expression because there was no harm done. There was no action upon this. It was just a dialogue, hence why this is somehow allowed.
Oh, God, this world is going down the drain. That is exactly why UK is going down the drain.